Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage personal investments with M1 Finance, full guide step by step clearly. To manage personal investments with M1 Finance, start by downloading the M1 Finance app from your device's app store or visiting the website. Create an account by providing your email address and setting up a secure password. Verify your identity by entering personal information, such as your social security number and address. Once your account is set up, log in to the M1 Finance platform. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, which includes options for creating a portfolio, investing, and tracking performance. Define your investment goals by considering your timeline, risk tolerance, and target returns. Explore available investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and pre-built portfolios called pies. To create your own pie, select the assets you want to include by searching for specific stocks or ETFs, and allocate percentages for each asset. Ensure that the total allocation equals 100%. Customize your investment strategy by choosing between automated investing or manual contributions. Set up automatic deposits by linking your bank account and scheduling regular transfers to your M1 Finance account. Review and confirm your portfolio allocations before proceeding to invest. Once you're satisfied with your pie, click Save to create it. To start investing, make a deposit into your account and select your pie. Monitor your investments regularly by checking the performance of your pie and individual assets. Utilize M1 Finance's rebalancing feature, which automatically adjusts your portfolio to maintain your desired allocation. Consider dollar cost averaging by consistently investing fixed amounts over time to mitigate market volatility. Stay informed about market trends and investment strategies by accessing educational resources provided by M1 Finance. Regularly review your investment goals and adjust your portfolio as needed to align with changes in your financial situation. Take advantage of M1 Finance's tools and insights to improve your investment decisions and outcomes. Lastly, practice patience, as investing is a long-term endeavor that requires time to yield significant results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.